right? So we are learning about the PowerPoint, right? What is the PowerPoint software and how to use this PowerPoint software in your academic purpose. So these are the learning contents. Okay. So I think this is the second class of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Right. We'll move the session directly. Yeah. So you know how to open the PowerPoint, right? So in the last class I covered this how to open the PowerPoint and how to create a blank presentation, or you can get the PowerPoint presentation using the template. Okay, already developed some different templates, different styles and different layout templates already in your PowerPoint application. So you can now find with the category wise, right? So all the templates are listed in categorized wise. That is easy to you to find the particular specific templates. If you, example, if you want to get the education related templates, when you click this education link, the education related templates are listed here, right? You can easily click on that particular template, so you can get the particular template. I am using this blank presentation. I think in the last class, we learn about how to prepare the PowerPoint presentation slide, how to manage the PowerPoint slide, right? Some basic tools available in the Microsoft PowerPoint. Insert, design, transition, and these are already covered, right? So, and here, unfortunately, my PC is on slow down. Wait, right. So, the last class, I covered some basic things, the how to manage this slide shoulder window, right? This is called slide shoulder window. Using this slide shoulder window, you can this is the slide shoulder window, right? This slide shoulder window, you can manage the slide, every slide. Okay, drag and drop. Using drag and drop, you can change the order of the slides, right? So this is called sliding shoulder view, right? Slide shoulder view. So using here around 12 slides are there. Right click on the slide and right click on here, new slide. One new blank slide will be created. So like that, you can create a number of slides, or you can insert a new slide after particular slide. Or otherwise, within when you click the here, now I am selecting between 9 and 10 slide. Right click and new. Now one new blank slide will be inserted in the particular position. That means the new slide will be inserted between the 9 and 10 slides, right? And I also explained the last class how to insert a picture, right? Using insert menu. Using insert menu. Using insert picture or online pictures, you can get different pictures from your system or from your online search engine, right? So find the images and you can place the images in your slide. And also I explained about how to get the screenshot or how to insert the photo album and how to insert different shapes. So including star and banner shape, right? So I also explained the last class about how to insert the smart art or how to manage the smart art, right? So different smart art categories there. Within the category, with the more slides, different style of slides are here. You can select one slide and click OK. The particular selected smart arts shape inserted in your slide. And after that, we can customize the text, right? So like that, you can insert the chart, right? So all I explained in the last class. And using the text box, using this text box, and draw a text box, and you can type anything. So actually, this is one text box. This heading with one text box, and this one another text box. So using text box, you can place any text, any place of this slide, right? Like that, here also I inserted in an image from your PC or online, and using the text box, you can place the text, right? And if you type the text within the text box, you can freely move or freely arrange this text box anywhere. Okay, right? And also explain how to insert the chart and blood styles, right? And here also, this the smart art shape, right? Smart art shape. And the table, this is one smart art shape, this is the table. So you can insert the number of insert table using different options. You can insert directly using this select tool or insert table or draw table. Using any one method, you can create a table. You can specify the number of column and number of rows, right? So after that, and also I explained the design tab, how to give different background style, right? These are the background designs, different designs are here. So using this design view, you can select any design for the background. The design tab is specially designed for arrange the background style for your slide, right? So you can select any background style. And also using the format background, using this format background, right? One panel will appear in the right-hand side. Using this panel, we can customize the background, right? You can fill any colors using the solid fill and the gradient fill. You can fill with gradient. And the picture, you can select any picture or texture fill. You can select any pictures from your system, and already this background, this fruit collection image. Yeah, the background now, the fruit collection image, right? This collection image actually the background. So you can select any background pixels using this this file link. When you click this link, open dialog box will be appear. Using open dialog box, you can get, when you click this one, open dialog box will appear. Using the open dialog box, you can open any images or pictures from your system, and you can set the particular selected pixels as the background. After that, if you set any background pixels, the full image quality and the dark color image will be applied in the background like this. Okay, like this, your particular selected image will appear in the background. But this is not good because the foreground text not clear. If you place any text in front of this image, the particular text will not clear, right? So if you set any background to the picture to the background, you can change this background opacity using the transparency. Using the transparency, we can select the opacity of the pixels. The light opacity is easy to show foreground information or foreground contents. Right? If you enter any text before, okay. If your image like this, your text not clear. Okay. So if you are setting any background using the pixel, you can customize this pixel using the transparency, right? And then you know about how to apply these effects. Apply to all means now the particular slide only be changed, right? If you click the apply to all button, automatically all these slides, now around 413 slides are available in this document. So all the 13 slides will be set with the selected background pictures, right? So using this button, you can set. Okay, the background in the design. And next one, you know, this background transition also explained in the last class. Right. The transition means, you know, the transition is the transition effect. You can give the transition effect when you move one slide to another slide, right? So you can apply this transition between two slides. So that's when the first slide is changing as second slide. The transition effect you can select, right? Actually, these transition effect are the slide transition, not the content transition, right? Using this, you can find the style of the transition. Select the transition effect. There's so many transition effects are there. So, some are categorized in exciting and some subtitle and some dynamic content. So you can set any transition effect. And if you select one transition effect, the transition sub effect, the direction of the animation, this effect option will change with the selected transition. If you select this one, here, no any effect option. When you click this one, no. And this one, here, sub, 2 options are here. This one, 4 options. So depend on the given transition effect, the effect option also changed, right? And also this one, sound. When you give the transition effects, when you change one slide to another slide, you can put the sound effects here. So many sound effects are there. Using this sound option, you can select the sound. Or otherwise, other sound. When you click other sound, you can select any sound file. So these are the default file. If you have any sound files, maybe music or any loop as music, you can use the particular music or sound file. Okay, right. And this one, the duration, transition duration. Okay, the transition is, if you increase this transition duration, the transition effect will slow, right? And the transition effect when make transition, the 2 options, one option, when you click the mouse pointer or click the arrow key, one option. Another option, after effect means after 5 seconds, automatically change next slide. Then next, after 5 seconds, automatically change next slide. So after 5 minutes, automatically change slide one by one. So you can increase or decrease the size. If you set this after duration, so no need to enter any key or no need to press the mouse pointer. The system automatically show one slide, next one slide, or one slide by one slide. The end of the presentation, automatically close the presentation. Otherwise, if you select this on mouse click, if you click, if the presentation is one slide, next, if you want to move next slide, you want to click the mouse pointer. Or otherwise, you want to press the arrow keys, right? So using the arrow keys, you can go next to go previous. So using these options, you can set the transition effect to your slide. Okay. After this, we covered in our last session, right? Today we will start from the animation. So after this, I rewind the last class option, right? Today we will start from this transition. So animation. And also, I want to explain one more thing in the insert menu. So you know how to insert table, pictures, everything, you know, and how to insert, you know how to insert text box. Okay. I want to explain, or I want to explain about how to insert header and footer and word art, these things, right? First, I will explain this thing, then we will move to animation, right? So the first we will start from the header and footer. So you know the header and footer. So if you want to show anything means any text or any current date or anything or slide number, in every slide you can set header and footer. So in the in the Word, Microsoft Word, you can place any text or any predefined text or predefined field in above the page. That's on top of the page or bottom of the page. This is repeated in all pages in the document. If you have more than 550 pages, all 50 pages will show. Right? This is the header and footer. But here you can place only footer. Right? You cannot put any text or anything in the header. You can apply this header and footer only footer side. So that's mean bottom of the slide, right? Now I plan to give some faculty of agriculture in the middle of the every slide. So you need to go the header and footer. And here I already said only one option available in the footer, not header, right? Here 3 places in the footer side, in the slide. This is the slide, right? This is the slide, right? You can place the left, center, right. That means you can place any text here and here and here. On 3 places, center, right, and left. Okay, right. But here all are specified. In the left side, here you can put the date and time. Right, you can get the date and time. Here, both the 2 options to insert date field. The one is update automatically and fixed. Right. Now we will set this update automatically. That means now the date will appear in the left hand side with today's date, 15th October 2021, right? If you open this document, this PowerPoint presentation slide, presentation document, in the 20th of this month, the date will appear 20th. Actually, this means display or appear the current date. Okay, whenever open this document, the current date will appear on this place. If you place the fixed means, you can enter any text. But whenever open this PowerPoint presentation, the fixed date, the particular date will appear, not change this date automatically or current date. Okay, so actually this fixed means so specific date. So the particular specific date you can put automatically not change, right? If you select this update automatically, here the different styles there, date and time and date only and time only. And here actually the time shown is the language shown the United States. So United States style, first one month and second one date and third one year. The mostly in Sri Lanka, we are putting the date, the first one date and second one month and third one year. If you want to change like this, Australian style will be the same with us. Select the Australia, and now Australian style like our style. First one the date, second one month, and third one year. Okay, and second now when you select this one, this left side dark. That means left side checked, placed, and the center and right side empty. If you put this one send up, sorry, it doesn't right side. slide number. Automatically put the slide number 1, 2, 3 like that. You can easily find which one, which slide you are appearing in the screen. Okay, right. If you want to place the slide number, every slide, you can put this slide number. And the footer. Footer means footer character in the center part. When you do this one center part, you can put faculty of agriculture. So you can type in text here. Right? And apply to all. That's mean when you click apply, if you are selected in the 7th slide, so only 7 slides will be applied, right? So other slide not applied. If you want to apply this setting to all of this document, that's mean 13 slide, you want to click the apply to all button, right? Apply to all button. And another option here that don't show in the title slide. That's mean the first slide. The first slide is the title slide. If you want to omit the first slide, mostly the presentation or any other document, the first page, the blank. Blank means no any header and footer. From second page, we will place the header and footer. So if in that case, you want to select this one, but don't show on the title page. That means don't show the this date and time or slide number and put option for the first slide, right? If you remove this one, all slide from 1st to 13, last slide will be applied. Now I click this apply to. So now you can find these 3 places, and every slide is the 7th slide and the 8th slide. So you can view this header and footer in all slides, right? This is the 13th slide. Slide number automatically changed. When you present this document, okay, so now 10 slides, 11 slide, and 12 slide. Next one, 12 slide. So you can easily find this date and time and text and the slide number, right? So using the header and footer, you can place any current date or any text or slide number on the bottom of the page. And next one, you know, these features available in the Word also, Microsoft Word also. When we learn the Microsoft Word, I explained this. I was explaining this word art. Using this word art, the different the text styles are there. Select any style, and then you can type the content. And after that, using this effect, you can give the effect. Okay. Right. Okay, you know about this word art. Insert word art, date and time, slide number, date and time. These already, you know, when you inserting this header and footer, you can place the date and time, slide number, and object. And equation also, you know, if you want to insert any mathematical equation, you can create the equation. This one already, you know, we already learn on the Microsoft Word. Okay, the same features. This one. Next one, the video. Using this video option, you can insert any video file in your slide, right? The slide, the online video and video on my PC. You can select any video from online, right? So like YouTube, right? You can search any video in the YouTube, and YouTube video we can place here. But when you present this document, if you want to play this video, the internet connection must be available. Otherwise, you can't play the video, right? If you place the video on your PC, okay, you can select this one, the video on my PC, and select any video file from your system, right? I think this is the very capacity 651, 700. Yes, I've placed this one, right? I select any file from this. The particular selected video will be inserted in our slide. Right? You can rearrange the video size and place the video on your slide, right? If you want to view in full size, you can select the full size, right? And when you select this video, and here the format will, you can any style of this video, right? Video frame. Select the video frame, and every image filtering we can select, and the playback one, this one already the word features also same, right? And the playback, the new one in the PowerPoint. So you can click, you can play the video, and here you can trim, you can cut the video on both sides, end of the video and front of the video. You can cut unwanted video clip or video timeline in your inserted video, and fade in, fade out you can set, and volume level also we can set the default and the high, and you can reduce the sound volume. And then playing option. So on click means when you view this slide, or slide showing this slide, the video will appear but not play. If you click on this image or click the play button, the video will play automatically, not play, right? If you want to play automatically when change the slides, you can select automatically, right? So I select this on click, and I place the 11th slide and preview here, right? This is the actual 11th slide. I'm inserted in this video on the 12th slide. So when you click here, video not automatically changed. If you want to click, so animation already set 5-second transition. I remove this one after 5 minutes because every 5 seconds automatically change the next slide. Select the mouse click and apply to all. Now this transition effect applied. Right, now I explain again. For the preview, right, when you move the next slide, so 12th slide video slide available, right? But video automatically not plays. If you click the video play, the video will play, right? Video will play in your slides. Okay. If you want to play automatically, actually, this is our faculty. Nowadays, the large JICA building here in this area is the previous building, right? Previous building, and this is the admin block, and this is the auditorium, and this is the library, and this is the computer unit, and this is the student complex, everything. These are the lecture halls, and this one lecture halls, this one lecture halls, right? So, right, this is the video, right? If you select this, the video playback option in the automatically, right? When you change this slide, automatically it will play. No need to press play button. And the play full screen, you know, when you're playing the video, automatically go full screen. End of the video, normally normal view will happen. Yeah, when you're playing full screen playing, you can set, right? The hide while not playing, not playing, not the hide the video. When you play the video will play. The loop until stop has mean when you stay in one slide, the video will repeat it, right? Every time, repeat it. If you go next slide, that time only stop the video, right? Now I play this slide show. Second slide. This after playing automatically will move. I not click any button on this video. Automatically play after transition. Nowadays, total changed. More trees are planted and more building are increasing here, right? Right. I think so. You can insert video and you can set any video playback options here. And also, you know, you can set the brightness and contrast of the video. Everything we know that these tools we already learned in the Microsoft Word, the same the layout, right? Actually, these are the image editing options, right? These image editing options all are available to video also. Right, so you know you can insert the video, right? And also using insert audio. Audio means like video, you can insert in audio files. If you have any audio files in your system, you can select any audio files. That audio file will be played, right? Here also the both options, the two options are there. The audio on my PC and record audio. The audio on PC means, so if you have any audio files in your system, you can insert that particular audio file in your slide, right? So otherwise, next one, the record. In the lifetime, you can record. If you're playing record, example, I am now in the slide, this one, right? I click this audio, record audio. Now the recording, sound recording dialog box will appear. When you start this, we can no need to show the slide. In this editing mode, we can click this play record button. Now the sound is recording. My sound is recording, right? So we can explain this slide, right? Slide everything, right? So you can explain this one and this one and this one. After explaining this slide, we can stop the recording and then click OK. Now particular audio will insert it in the slide. Okay. And like that, you can insert another audio here. You can record the audio. And you can explain about this slide in voice, right? The voice you can record. You can explain this about slide. After explaining finished, you can click stop and OK. Now this particular video also here, you can place the video. So now these two slides are recorded, the live recorded. When you preview this slide, okay, you can now I think the voice not share sound also right now. Next one, so when you select this one and playback also here, automatically I select this also, select this one and select automatically, right? Right now I play this this slide now. Record button. Now the sound is recording. The recorded sound is audio will be played. Right? Yeah. So we can explain this slide. Right? Slide everything. The sound will come. I think so. You can explain this one and this one. This one. After explaining this slide, we can stop. Right? And next slide also. Automatically playing. You can explain about this slide. When you play the voice, recorded sound will be the voice you can record given. You can insert any sound from your system or using recording we can put our voice for this slide, right? And next one, the screen recording, also important one. You can record this entire screen, system screen, right? Entire screen you can record as video file, right? So I am giving the first slide and the screen. When you click the screen recording, one dialog box will appear, right? You can select the area, click and drag the area. The all area selected, right? After click the recording, presentation. Now presentation available. Now click the recording. Now our start the video recording. Now record our video recording. We can present anything. We can present this one. Next one slide. And next one. Right. Next one. So we can you can record this. We can present this every slide and go next slide. After ending the presentation, we can stop the recording. Now the recording stopped, and this is the video of the recorded. Okay, actually this is the video, right? recorded video, presentation video. You can play this video. Actually, screen recorded with voice, right? Actually, this is not playing. This is a video, recorded video. Right? So the video will play. So you can record the screen using not only for this PowerPoint. Using this PowerPoint, we can record our computer action. Example, if you are in the Zoom class, you can record your screen with voice. Okay. Go to insert and screen recording, and automatically minimize yourself. Now open your particular screen. Example, this Zoom class screen, and record this one. Entire screen will be recording. Now this screen recording, your Zoom class recording. Right? So you can record your class. Not class, your action. Now my screen recording. Live recording. My entire screen recording. When you move this mouse pointer or anything, all are recorded now. Right? After end of this recording, we can stop the recording, automatically place the recorded video. Right? This is screen recording. And you can place this recorded video in your slide. Otherwise, right click on that and save media as using this option. We can save this recorded video as simple video file. Click this option and the media file, only media file, and select the location, desktop, and media one, save. Now this particular recorded video save as media file here. Using the player, you can play this video. So this is the recorded video. Voice and the video all are recorded. Actually, this is a recorded video. The video end. Right? So I close this video now. Right. Okay. So using this recording option, insert recording option, we can capture our screen with audio and the display. Right? And okay, this all are finished. Design, the design and transition, and animation. I will explain about animation. The animation means, so you can give any animation for your slide content. The transition, you can apply in transition effect for the slide only. When you move one slide to another slide, there we will apply the transition effects, right? So using the animation effects, right? Using the animation effects, we can put any animation for the slide content. Slide content may be image or text or anything in the slides. So in the slide have 1, 2, 3 objects, 2 text box and 1 image. So you can apply the animation for these 3 items or 3 contents in the slide. Sorry. Like that, you can apply this animation for the content in each and every slide. Right? So now I am selecting first slide and I select this image first. Right? Here, some animation effect are here. When you click this drop down, so many animation effects are listed. Someone animation with entering and someone entrance, buses and exit animations. The animations are categorized, right? So you can select any style. I select this one. You can preview, right? Select an animation here, right? And within the animation, you can set the effect of the effect option. So the direction, everything. So this one not have any effect option. This one have the direction or effect option, right? So I select this one, okay. And here the animation pan. When you click this animation pan will appear. I remove this background, animation pan. Using this animation pan, here only one animation applied to picture file. This is the picture file. The one being available. Here one animation, right? And I select this one next. I select any different animation, right? And here in animation pan, the second animation will apply to the second text box. Previous one image and this one text box, right? And third one, this is also text box. I select the right. So here 1, 2, 3. This means first one, first animation will appear this one, and second animation this one, and third animation this one. So when you review the screen, click this is the first animation, and this one is the second animation. This is the third animation. So in the order, the particular animation will appear. You can change the order. Click and drag. Now I drag this, the third one, the first one. So now the first one, this you can view this is the first one, and the second one, third one. So using this panel or pan, you can rearrange the order of the text, right? So I put image as first, and second this one, and third this one. First one image, and second one this one, and third one this one. So you can rearrange the order, right? And when you click this arrow, one option available, start on click, start with previous and after, start after previous. This start on click means when you click the mouse pointer only, the next animation will appear. So next means this animation. So every animation, every text appearing, you want to click, right? So this one, first one, the slide is blank. When I click on the slide, first animation will come, or first content will come. Second click, second content will come. Third click. So we want to click on the screen, or otherwise we want to press enter key or any key from the keyboard, right? If you want to set automatically, select this one and select after previous. Now first one, okay, first one on the mouse click. Second one after previous, select after previous, and third one select after previous, right? Now you can see, right? First time you want to click because first one not set automatically, right? First one, after first one finished, automatically second will come, then third will come. No need to press one by one. Okay, so you can set this one, first one this one, and second one this, and third one. You can increase or decrease the duration of the text box, right? Duration of the text box. And using the effect option, this the animation effects. Effect option. The effect option depend on the selected animation type. Now I select this picture. Picture animation type is spiral, right? So according to the selected animation, the animation options will be different. Here effects, sound. The sound option available for all animation. So sound, you can set sound. When you move one to another, the sound will be made, right? And this one, the after animation, after finish the animation, we can click the dim or not dim or hide or anything. This is the style. Timing, using timing, you know, the start when automatically after previous or on click. Delay time, you can give the delay time. If we increase the delay time, the animation will be slow. If you increase the delay time, the animation makes slow, right? So the duration is the animation. This one is the animation slow. Animation, the duration. This one the cap. If you select everyone in after previous, right? The after next one, how many delay? How many second delay? And this is duration of the animation. This is repeatedly. So automatically repeat the animation make repeatedly up to go next slide. Continuously. And like that, I select this one. Now repeat it 3 times. Repeat 3 times. Okay. After that, the particular text will come. So you can view the arrangement of the order and the time using this span, right? I reduce as none. And means single time, right? Right. The next second one, this one text. Select the effect option. And here, start, end. These are the setting related to the animation. And the sound and animation, after animation, and animated text. All at one means all are one set. And word by word, and by letter, letter by letter. If you select the word, click OK, word by word will come. If you make delay, sometimes single word by word will appear. So using this effect option, the delay you can select. I select 5. If you increase the delay, the word by word is delay. Right? If you set character by letter by letter, letter by letter will come, and time, the interval time, the delay between two characters, you can specify. Right? So you can set any, you can put this word by word or character by character for the text content. And this one already there within the effect option, timing option, and advanced timelines also there here. Okay. And if you want to remove this animation, you can remove. Right? Okay. Now this number is all are 1. All are 1. The earlier one 1, 2, 3, because first animation this one, and second animation this one, third animation this one. Here the automatically after effect applied, so you can preview the timing using the animation tab. Like that, you can apply the animation for your every slide content. You can make any animation to the text or images or graph or anything. You can apply word by word or character by character or set as 1. Choosing the animation, you can apply any animation effect you are selected or your selected slide content, right? And slideshow, you know, the slideshow is after creating this PowerPoint design. So you want to present this this slide, okay? After designing this presentation slide, you want to present this. If you want present, you want to preview, make slideshow view in the screen, right? So here, when you click this one, the first one, from beginning, the slideshow starting from first slide. From slide, now I am in the third slide now. When you click this one, automatically start from third one, right? This one present online, you can present online. If you have any the account to the cloud, you can apply this online presentation also, right? custom slideshow, you know, the custom slide. So using this custom slideshow, you can click the different slides, first slide and the same fifth slide like that. So these are the some advanced sliding options. I think this from beginning and from slide 2 option enough to you. Otherwise, these the slideshow view in the right hand bottom corner. This one also slideshow. When you click this slideshow, the slideshow will start from the particular current slide. We are in the third slide. When you click this one, automatically playing from the third slide. If you are in the first slide, so click this one, the presentation will start from the first slide. Right? Okay. And the review is not needed to you. And I think everyone will finish. I think the hyperlink not explained. No? Okay, I will explain the hyperlink also. Hyperlink also one of the important one. Right? When you present this document, when you click every click, the one slide will move forward or backward. So using this arrow, next arrow, you can move one slide to next slide. So the backward arrow, you can move one slide to previous slide. So you can switch the slide between one by one. But if you want to jump one slide to another slide, if you example, from you are in the third slide, if you want to jump third slide to 10th slide, you can give the hyperlink. Hyperlink between third slide to 10th slide. Otherwise, when you move arrow key, the slide move third slide to fourth slide or third slide to second slide. Right? In this case, we can use the hyperlink. Actually, hyperlink option available to hyperlink to any option. That's maybe the website or any software, so anything. So effectively, we can use this hyperlink to our slide jumping. Right? So now I am in the fifth slide. I give one text here. The top of go first slide. Right? And select the slide and click insert and hyperlink. Right? Now this on the hyperlink. Existing file or web page. You can select an existing page. The page may be Word or PowerPoint or Excel, any software. When you select this one PowerPoint file, and when you click this, when you present this slide, when you click this first slide, the particular PowerPoint file will be open, because we are linking this text to open this particular file. Or if you select this Excel file, when you click this, the text automatically open this Excel file in front of the PowerPoint file. So you can open any existing file or place in this document. So in this document have 13 slides. You can go first slide to last slide, or next slide, previous slides, or the next slide and previous slide. Normally, no need to put the hyperlink, because normally when you click the back button, one slide go previous slide. When you click the next button, automatically slide move next button. So no need to this one, but last and first you can apply, because we are in the fifth slide. When you click this link, automatically go the presentation first slide, right? Now I play this video. Now you are in fifth slide. So here, this is the hyperlink because our mouse pointer changes like hyperlink. The arrow shape changes and hand shape. That means you can click this option. When you click this one, now this is the first slide. So we can jump fifth slide to first slide or any slides. Not only the up to the first slide. You can move any slide. Select this one and hyperlink. You can go last slide also or ninth slide. Now this hyperlink make link between fifth slide and ninth slide. So when you click this link, the slide will be jumped to ninth slide. So this hyperlink not only for the text. If you are inserting any image or if you are inserting any shapes, right? I create a shape here, right? A shape here. Now select the shape and click insert and hyperlink. So we can give the hyperlink link to your slide also, sorry, image or shape also. Now I select this one and I select 13, last slide, right? Otherwise, create the new documents means you can create a new document. Or email means you can send any emails. You can put the email address and subject and the message, right? And when you click this button, automatically mail will be sent. Right now, I am selecting this 13th slide. That's mean when you click the mouse button on this image or shape, the slide move from 5th slide to 13th slide. Right? Click OK. Now the particular link here, right? When you mouse over on this image, the mouse pointer change like this. That means the hyperlink available. Click on that. This is the 13th slide. You can see the 13th slide. So we can jump 5 to 13. When you are explaining or when you're presenting your presentation, we can easily move to a particular slide and then we can jump the previous slide. So using this hyperlink, you can jump one slide to another slide. Right? Okay. Next, save. How to save this document? So if you want to save this document as PowerPoint file, file and save as, and browse and select your file location. I select the desktop now, right? Desktop now. And the presentation name and the save as type must be PowerPoint presentation. That means PowerPoint file. Save this. Now this file save as PowerPoint file. When you open this file will be open on the PowerPoint software. If not PowerPoint software, if the PowerPoint software not available in your system, this file cannot be open, can't open. So if you want to open this file, first you want to install the software, or first you want to check the availability of the presentation or PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint software available or not, right? If not, you can't open this file. But if you save this file, save as, browse, and this PowerPoint show file, PowerPoint show, right? PowerPoint show, the list, so many files type are there. You can save as PowerPoint show file, right? And click save. Now this PowerPoint file saved as PowerPoint show file, right? I close this one. I think this one is the PowerPoint show file. Okay, when you open this PowerPoint show file, automatically go for the slides, like video. No need to click the slide show anything, right? After end of the slide, now second, 13th slide. Okay, now this is the last slide. When you click next one button, automatically close window. Automatically start and automatically close. If you want to open this file, no need to PowerPoint software. So you can convert the show file, that's file like presentation video file. You can open this file anywhere. But if you want to save this file as Microsoft PowerPoint, version must be depend on the text. Sometimes the version is different, some changes, some transition effect not there, and some effect not there, some problem may occur, right? Same, you are preparing any presentation in my PowerPoint 2013 version, save that file in the 13 version file. Then if you open this PowerPoint file in the 10 file, some animation and some transition not there. Some errors may occur. But if you play the save as the presentation show file, not depend on the version, not depend on the software. Okay. Right. And if you save as browse, and you can save this file as PDF, right? PDF. You can save this all files as PDF. Right? Actually, this is a PDF file. You know, the PDF file we can open anywhere, any PC. No need to install Adobe Reader. Nowadays, PDF file can open any browser, right? You can present this slide also here. In the PowerPoint, in the PDF view, go to view and full screen mode. Automatically view the slides here. You can move slide using, but here not animation, not will apply, only slides you can move. Okay, so you can change as PDF, and then we can make presentation, but the animation not. So file save as. Now I am in first slide. Okay, file save as, browse, and you can save this file as image file, the GIF file or JPG and PNG, TIFF file. These are the image file, right? If you select this JPG file, you can convert this slide as JPG file, right? Click save, right? Another dialog box will appear, the all slide or just this one. So I think I am in fourth slide. So when you click this one, only fourth slide will be saved as image file. When you click this all slide, you can get 13 single JPG file one by one. So all the 13 slide are converted as image file and separate file. After converting this all slide, you can get 13 images slide by slide, right? I select this, just this one. Now this particular fourth slide here, this one, view as image. So whenever we can save a particular slide as image file, easy to manage, right? I remove this one. Right, now total 6 pages. Now you can save and select the image file and click save. I'll put the name, another name, save. Now I select this all slide. Okay. Now this is the folder. This presentation 1 folder have all slides. All 6 slides, slide 1 and slide 2. These are the JPG file. So you can convert your slide as JPG also. If you want to change any particular slide as image file, you can select single file slide. So all these files as image file, you can select all slides. The all slide are merged with 1 folder automatically. Arrange all slide as image file within any specific folder. Right. Okay, I think that's enough on the PowerPoint, right? So PowerPoint finished. I will upload 1 and 2. I will give one title, right? I will give a title on your LMS, right? You want to create the effective presentation on the particular title, the presentation slide, and the creativity and or creativity yourself. You can you can use your creativity, but we will provide the title, right? And slide count also we will give. The given slide count, you can prepare in own creativity, using the own creativity. You can create a PowerPoint presentation on, and then you want to submit the presentation, right? This is the assignment. Okay. Today I will upload the assignment heading, right? And the duration of the assignment deadline. So you can prepare the presentation and then you can upload, right? The next class, first half an hour, I will give the discussion for this MS PowerPoint. If you are facing any problem on doing this presentation, you can ask. I will explain. Minimum half an hour. If you have more doubt, we can go for 2 hours. That's no problem. The minimum half an hour I will give for the discussion. On the discussion, you can ask any question on the PowerPoint. If you are facing any problem, you can ask. I will explain. And the balance time, we will start next session. The Internet of Things. That's mean the internet basis, right? So how to use the cloud drive and how to create a Google form and Google app, Google applications and mail, how to use mail and effective and everything I will explain, right? So, and how to search, how to use your search engine as effective. So you can search anything in effective way. Okay, I will explain on the next class. So please do yourself or practice yourself. If you have any doubt, please note that. The next class, please ask. If you have any problem, please ask. Right? Mostly in the assignment examination, I think most of the 12 people have not laptop or desktop. You are using the mobile phone. So we can't give the assignment examination because the particular 12 people can't do using the mobile phone. Okay. So I have planned to the particular assignment examination on the direct mode. When you come on faculty, I will give time to your assignment using our computer laboratory. You want to do the assignment sheet. So one assignment sheet pending, assignment examination pending on the Word, and next one PowerPoint, right? That will be marked. The Word assignment 10 marks, PowerPoint assignment 10 marks, and other third assignment also 10 marks. 30 marks will be you can get during the course period. Right? All three assignment examination I will give on the direct mode. Direct mode means when you visit the faculty, I will give. You can go our faculty laboratory and you can do your assignment examination. Right? Okay, thank you. We will see you in next class.